Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we will talk about the easiest way to remain immortal even after death. Although our soul is immortal, that's a crude fact. We will change bodies just like clothes, but the soul will remain. Only this body is mortal, which will be gone sooner or later with the course of time. But even still, we generally, most of us have this tendency of having this thought process in mind that who will remember us, who will try to think about us even when we are gone, how we will be able to that remain that over there among people even without the physical existence, how we will just show that impact on others. The best way of being immortal even after leaving the mortal body and still remain immortal in the presence of human beings, the only way is good karma. The only thing which will make us remain alive even when we are gone is good karma. The kind of good deeds, good karma which you will generate in this life, it will be used an example. Try to do karma, try to do works which are so exemplary that people will give pronunciation, inspiration, everything on you. Things will be written for you, things will be discussed about you, people will take inspiration from you, you will inspire the world, the masses. They will be, you can say, you will be alive in shape of books or in shape of thoughts or in shape of dreams or in shape of you can say entity which has been worshipped. If you try to notice, there are so many good souls, there are so many people who are fair enough popular still now. They have gone, they have left the world, but still we remember them. It can be our soldiers, it can be just like, for example, Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of the nation. His good karma, his good deeds, his fighting spirit with the slogan of Ahimsa has created a remark not only in India but the whole world. If we see any kind of lords or god or goddesses having human incarnation, for example Lord Rama, he has been considered the best king, the best ruler, the one who used to do justice, and still now we remember him because apart from being a god, in the human incarnation he always did good karma. He defeated the Ravan, the bad one. So everything is good karma, good deeds which will make you alive even when you're gone. People will remember you for masses, centuries will remember you, generations will remember you. They will read about you, they will discuss about you, they will try to worship you, they will try to recall your names, they will try to be like you, they will try to be according to you, according to the things which you have taught to them. So everything is based on karma. If you will do bad karma, people will remember you but in a negative sense, and that too for a very short period of time. But if you will be doing good karma, you will be remembered by everyone, including the good one, including the bad one. So this is the only way to remain alive, to remain immortal even when you left the world. And the only way of doing this is to question yourself what I'm doing, whether whatever I'm doing is good or bad. Try to do the good karma, good deeds in your own circle, in your own society, in your own zone, and sooner or later that good deeds, those good karma will spread far and far away from that particular area. So with every tiny steps, try to enjoy each day having doing good karma with the belief that I will remain alive into the eyes, into the hearts of people by doing this karma. This is the only way, there is no other way of doing this. So I hope you enjoy today's video. So keep on watching, like and share the video. I have already uploaded one video on the same topic in Hindi language, so link will be there in the comments. You can go over there and go through the video. Thank you so much.